Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Business. Now I will display some exclusive outstanding Dhakai Jamdani sarees collections only for you. So let me display. For more collections, please visit our showroom at Kolkata. All over India, we have free delivery, cash on delivery also available. And this one is very beautiful color combination, soft resham dhakai jamdani, all over bright elegant looks, all over bright color combinations and beautiful traditional dhakai jamdani design work, Bengal traditional dhakai jamdani. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful fine traditional dhakai work pallu, soft resham dhakai jamdani. And this one is full base part all over work, all over traditional jamdani design work, border portions beautiful dhakai work, very fresh elegant bright looks. And this without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this is cotton fabric, nice printed contrast blouse piece with this sari for your elegant looks. Nice color combination, same material, soft resham dhakai jamdani, Bengal traditional dhakai work, all over sari, very bright looks, elegant looks. This one is full base part, all over traditional dhakai work, all over sari, border portions beautiful contrast ikat border with jamdani design work, all over jamdani work, soft resham dhakai jamdani, all over dhakai work. And this one pallu portions without running blouse piece, only sari length. And pallu portions beautiful traditional dhakai worked pallu and all over traditional jamdani design. And this cotton fabric, nice printed contrast blouse piece with this sari for your outstanding looks. And next one is a nice color combination, very beautiful one, soft material, soft resham dhakai jamdani, all over dhakai work, very elegant fresh looks. Of main base part is off white base, contrast lavender border, border portions beautiful traditional border design, dhakai worked border all over buta design, soft material, lightweight, soft resham dhakai jamdani without running blouse piece. Pallu portions beautiful traditional dhakai jamdani design worked pallu, soft resham dhakai jamdani, very fresh elegant looks, soft material, lightweight. And this cotton fabric, multicolor printed contrast blouse piece with this sari for your outstanding looks. And next one, nice color combination, soft resham dhakai jamdani, all over dhakai work, main base is soft resham silk cotton material, all over traditional dhakai work, main base part is cream shade and bright pink, baby pink border. And pallu also same baby contrast color pallu with beautiful traditional dhakai worked pallu, soft material, lightweight and all over base traditional dhakai buta, border portions contrast color, very fresh trendy looks without running blouse piece. And this cotton hakoba contrast blouse piece with this sari for your outstanding looks. And next one, nice color combinations, white and red contrast looks, soft resham dhakai jamdani. This one full base part, based for your festive wear, Durga Puja wear, traditional Bengal traditional dhakai jamdani. This one is pallu portions, bright red shade with beautiful traditional dhakai buta worked pallu, all over base white base and beautiful work all over sari, elegant color combinations. This one is pure white base, all over buta design, dhakai buta. And this one border portions ikat pattern with traditional dhakai worked border without running blouse piece, only sari length, very exclusive looks. And this is the silk material, golden shade silk brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this sari for your exclusive elegant looks. Beautiful color combinations, bright one, soft resham dhakai jamdani, based for your festive wear, Bengal traditional dhakai work, all over heavy traditional dhakai jamdani design work, wine shade, wine purple shade. And pallu portions contrast color golden shade with beautiful traditional dhakai worked design, all over pallu portions, soft lightweight. And this is full base part all over beautiful traditional Dhakai buta all over saree and border portions ikat design with traditional Dhakai work without running blouse piece, only saree length. And this silk material, heavy embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. And next one, nice color combinations, very beautiful one, soft resham Dhakai jamdani all over traditional Dhakai work, and then black and yellow contrast looks all over, bright black shade with traditional Dhakai buta all over Dhakai buta, and border portions fully contrast color threaded weaving design Dhakai worked border, ikat pattern design with traditional Dhakai work without running blouse piece, only saree length. And pallu portions, traditional Dhakai heavy worked pallu, soft material, lightweight. This one is pallu portions without running blouse piece, only saree length, bright gorgeous looks. And it says this silk material, heavy embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And next one, very beautiful design looks, half portion is Dhakai and half portion is cotton kota with printed one, smart looks, applique pattern design. This one is half portions, upper chest portions to pallu and cotton kota checks, fine cotton kota with hand painted design, smart trendy looks. This one is half portion, upper chest portion to pallu and smart trendy fashionable looks. And half portion is pure Dhakai material with self-weaving Dhakai, traditional Dhakai jamdani design work. Very nice looks, based for your festive wear. And it is this cotton hakoba bright red shade contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fancy looks. Nice color combination, same pattern, half applique design Dhakai, half portion is Dhakai and half portion is cotton kota with hand printed one, very smart looks. This one is half portions, upper chest portions to pallu in beautiful highlighted hand painted design, and main base is cotton kota fine checks with beautiful printed one. This portion is upper chest portions to pallu in, and half portion is Dhakai, soft resham traditional Dhakai jamdani all over self weaving Dhakai work without running blouse piece, only saree length. This portion is split section and half portion is cotton kota with printed. And this silk material brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy smart looks. And next one also, nice color combination, same pattern, half portion is Dhakai jamdani, soft resham Dhakai jamdani, and half portion is pure cotton kota with hand painted design, very smart looks, applique work. This one is half portion, half saree, beautiful kota fine checks with hand painted design, very smart bright looks. And half portion is Dhakai jamdani, traditional Dhakai work, fully designer piece. This one is beautiful self weaving Dhakai work without running blouse piece, only saree length. And this one is splits portion, and is this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And next one also, nice color combinations, very beautiful one, soft material, soft resham Dhakai jamdani main base, and half portion is upper chest portion to pallu in pure cotton kota with hand painted design, very smart fresh looks, pure cotton kota with beautiful painted design. This one is pallu in, and half portion is traditional Dhakai jamdani. This one is half portion, split sections, traditional fine self-weaving Dhakai work. This one is split section, and is this silk material, self brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. Very beautiful design work, main base is soft resham traditional Dhakai jamdani, Bengal traditional Dhakai jamdani with beautiful applique design work. This one is full base part, upper chest portions pure cotton fabric printed one, and this one is border portions traditional Dhakai work with applique contrast highlighted border, and this portion is split sections beautiful self weaving traditional Dhakai jamdani design work. Half portion is split sections traditional Dhakai work, chest portion is cotton printed one, and pallu and beautiful fine detailing design, embroidery design traditional Dhakai work with beautiful highlighted embroidery detailing design all over pallu portions, very fresh looks, soft resham dhakai jamdani with design work, and this portion is chest portions red base with printed one, and it has this silk material heavy embroidery design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright beautiful looks. Very beautiful color combinations, bright one, soft resham dhakai jamdani, main base is soft resham dhakai jamdani with beautiful detailing design, you know, and patli pallu pattern all over self dhakai work. This portion is, you know, split portions red base self dhakai work, soft resham dhakai jamdani. This portion is red portion is split section, and this portion is, you know, chest portions white base with beautiful detailing design. Main base is white base with highlighted mirror and embroidery detailing design. Main base is dhakai jamdani with beautiful detailing design, and this one is border portions contrast applique border red border with beautiful highlighted design work, and pallu end contrast red with traditional dhakai jamdani design work. Very exclusive one, you know. This portion is three chest portions beautiful traditional dhakai base with outline detailing design by embroidery, and it has this silk material heavy mirror embroidery design work contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive bright looks. And next one, nice color combinations, traditional looks based for your festive wear, premium quality soft resham dhakai jamdani all over dhakai buta based for your festive wear, Durga Puja wear. This one is full base part multi-colored dhakai buta, and this one is traditional border beautiful fine traditional dhakai jamdani red border, and pallu portions highlighted traditional dhakai worked pallu, soft material lightweight bright beautiful looks. This one is full base part all over dhakai buta without running blouse piece, only saree length, and it has this silk material silk brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright looks. Very beautiful color combinations, very bright one, soft resham dhakai jamdani bright pink shade all over traditional heavy dhakai jamdani design work all over saree. Very nice look. This one is full base part all over traditional dhakai work. This one is border portions contrast faded dhakai jamdani design work highlighted border all over traditional dhakai work, soft material soft resham dhakai jamdani, and pallu portions beautiful fine traditional jamdani design heavy worked pallu all over heavy work, and this one is, you know, full base for traditional dhakai design, and it has this silk material heavy mirror embroidery design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And next one, you know, very exclusive elegant looks based for your festive wear, Durga Puja wear, and bright yellow shade with contrast pink border and pallu. Very nice looks, you know. This one is full base part all over fine traditional dhakai jamdani design work all over saree. Very nice looks, you know, fine work premium quality material, and this one is border portions beautiful contrast pink shaded with traditional dhakai worked border, and very soft material lightweight all over traditional dhakai work, and pallu portions fully contrast color with beautiful fine traditional dhakai jamdani design worked pallu, and it possesses this silk material heavy embroidery design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And next one, you know, very beautiful color combination, soft resham base is soft resham dhakai jamdani all over traditional dhakai work with beautiful katha applique design work. This one, you know, upper chest portion to pallu end beautiful fine hand pricked katha stitch design. This one is silk material with all over fine katha stitch design chest portion, and this one is border portions beautiful dhakai jamdani design worked border, and split portions also traditional dhakai jamdani design work. This one is split portion, and main base chest portion is katha work to pallu end also traditional dhakai jamdani design work. Very exclusive looks, soft material, main base is dhakai jamdani and katha applique work dhakai katha, and it has this silk material heavy embroidery design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright beautiful looks. Next one, nice color combinations, bright red shade with contrast yellow traditional katha work, nakshi katha design, very bright one. This one is full base part, half portion is Dhakai buta, traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work. This one is split portion, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani worked. This portion is split section, and upper chest portion silk material with nakshikatha design work, red and yellow contrast looks all over nakshikatha design on chest portion, and pallu in beautiful traditional fine Dhakai Jamdani design work. This one is pallu in very bright beautiful looks, designer piece applique work. This portion is Katha stitch design, Nakshi Katha, and it features this silk material, self brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful bright looks. Beautiful color combination, soft main base is soft resham Dhakai Jamdani all over traditional Dhakai work with Nakshi Katha design work on chest portion, applique work, very fresh bright looks. This one is chest portions, beautiful fine Nakshi Katha design work. This one is upper chest portion, and border portions fully Dhakai Jamdani design work, pallu in beautiful fine traditional Dhakai Jamdani design worked, pallu in very bright beautiful looks, with nice pom-pom design, very elegant one, soft material, and half portion is, this one is split section, beautiful Dhakai buta design and traditional Dhakai border. This one is split portion, and half portions fully Nakshi Katha design work, very exclusive elegant looks, and it features this silk material, heavy embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright looks. And next one, nice color combinations, very bright one, red and white contrast looks, based for your festive wear, bright one. Half portion is fully cotton fabric with highlighted embroidery buta design. This one is cotton fabric, embroidery buta, and border portions contrast golden applique border with beautiful self Dhakai work. This one is traditional Dhakai Jamdani design worked border, and split portion. This one is split portion, half portions, beautiful fine traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work, half portion is Dhakai work, golden applique border, and half portion is cotton fabric with embroidery buta design, very bright beautiful looks. This one is half portions, upper chest portions to pallu in beautiful embroidery design work, and half portion is split section, red with Dhakai work, and it has this silk material, golden base self brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Very beautiful one, bright gorgeous looks, main base is Dhakai Jamdani, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani all over base, very beautiful bright looks, fully designer piece, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, bright red shade all over self Dhakai work. This one is pallu in beautiful traditional Dhakai work with handwork design, fully 3D embroidery flower design work, handwork design. This portion is pallu in corner portions, beautiful handwork design, very exclusive one, and this one is full base part all over traditional Dhakai buta all over with designer lace border, and chest portions also heavy handwork design. This one is chest portions, bright red shade, and all over chest portions beautiful fine handwork design, fully 3D embroidery highlighted handwork design on chest portion, very bright beautiful looks, and all over traditional Dhakai buta. This one is chest portions, and it has this silk material, embroidery, mirror embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright looks. And today I have developed a beautiful designer Dhakai Jamdani saree. Main base is light yellowish greenish yellow shade all over traditional Dhakai work, and this one is border portions traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work, and this portion is applique design organza material, organza with printed one, smart trendy fashionable looks, and pallu in same Dhakai traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work, very nice trendy looks, beautiful saree and designer blouse. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.